1977 is your year to make the move to Matador. Matador Coupe from AMC. As always, you'll get Matador's award-winning styling. But this year, you'll also get more. More comfort, more convenience, and more value for your money. Because this year's Matador Coupe offers more features as standard equipment than before. You get more because there's more to an AMC. And that makes it one of the best values of any 1977 automobile.
We knew what we wanted this year was a family car that was still stylish and not too large. We knew about Matador's styling, but what we didn't realize was that even though it has the length of an intermediate-sized car, it's almost as big inside as a full-size two-door sedan.
That means room and comfort.
What really made up our minds in a hurry, though, was finding out about all the extra things that were standard this year.
And American Motors' new Buyer Protection Plan 2.
Buyer Protection Plan 2, new for 1977. American Motors has expanded its already comprehensive program to give new car buyers even greater confidence and satisfaction. There is more to an AMC. Let's be clear about just what that means when you're looking at Matador Coupe. This year, American Motors has taken a long list of convenience and performance features and made them standard equipment. Equipment that used to be optional. Equipment that is still optional on many other cars.
I really like the reclining seats. They sure make long drives a lot more pleasant.
And this year, individual reclining seats are standard, upholstered in stylish Brampton plaid. When you add them to the custom door trim panels and the attractive wood grain instrument panel, all standard this year, you get classic styling at an affordable price.
I wanted power steering, power brakes, and automatic transmission. I was sure surprised when they were included as standard.
The benefit of these features alone represents an enormous value, while giving you the extra convenience of automatic transmission and power steering for easier handling, as well as the extra security and fade-free stopping power of power front disc brakes.
What I like is the way it just looks like a more expensive car.
A whole list of exterior trim accents make it that way, including body side scuff moldings, wheel lip moldings, rocker panel moldings, features that not only add to Matador style, but also to body protection from parking lot dings and dents.
These are options we've always added, but on our Matador, they're standard equipment.
Matador Coupe also has a popular feature that a lot of people pay extra for on other make cars: roll-down rear windows. On a lot of cars, they're not available at any price. But on the 77 Matador, you guessed it, standard equipment. You see, AMC does mean more. More of the features that add to the beauty and enjoyment of a new automobile.
I knew we had a bargain, but we're still discovering just what a fine automobile it really is.
And I really appreciate its intermediate size.
Size is the key to Matador's handling. Its shorter 209-inch overall length and 114-inch wheelbase make parking, handling, and maneuvering easy. But inside, there's plenty of space for a family and their luggage. And Matador's big car suspension system gives you a smooth, comfortable ride. AMC gives you more with a range of engines to choose from for your Matador. You get the standard 258 cubic inch 6 or optional V8s in 304 or 360 cubic inches. Matador also comes with a large 24.5-gallon gas tank. Any way you look at it, the Matador Coupe is a remarkable value. But even though you get more Matador for the money than ever before, that doesn't mean that there isn't a wide range of options available. For instance, there's air conditioning for cool, quiet comfort all summer long, and cruise command to take the effort out of those long trips. To make the car even easier to get into and out of, there's an adjust-to-tilt steering wheel.
The Interior Decor Convenience Group gave me this lighted vanity mirror.
There's an electric rear window defroster for more convenience in cold weather. And for extra style, you can have a vinyl roof, rally vinyl bucket seats, a sporty rally stripe, aluminum wheels, and a soft feel sport steering wheel. And of course, there's the AM/FM multiplex stereo radio, to which you can add an 8-track tape player. If even more luxury is what you're looking for, AMC offers you more with the distinctive Matador Barcelona. Barcelona, the most elegant automobile offered by AMC. Elegance and comfort, accented by individual reclining seats, upholstered in Barcelona's rich knit fabric with woven accent stripe. Custom door trim, finished with knit fabric, carpeting, and convenient pull straps. Attractive color-keyed wheel covers and Barcelona body stripe. Distinctive Barcelona hood ornament and more. Barcelona places your Matador among the most luxurious coupes on the road.
Oh, and there's one more important advantage that came standard on our Matador Coupe. It's AMC's Buyer Protection Plan 2.
It's confidence and satisfaction we both take for granted now, but we were really surprised when the salesman told us about everything it included.
Item 1. American Motors will fix anything at no cost to you that goes wrong because of manufacturing defects for the first 12 months or 12,000 miles, excluding tires, which are covered by the tire manufacturers. Item 2. All major engine and drivetrain parts are covered for 2 years or 24,000 miles. Item 3. You get a free loaner car if your car is kept overnight by the dealer for guaranteed repairs. Item 4. You have special protection against the reasonable extra meal and lodging expense up to $150 if a trip is interrupted by car trouble and you're more than 100 miles from home. AMC can give you this kind of protection because Matador is built tight to stay tight and checked each step of the way. All AMC products are assembled to meet high quality control standards. That allows us to offer the most complete new car guarantee in the industry, the Buyer Protection Plan 2.
They're saying that there's more to an AMC. Well, we found out what that means.
That means our brand new Matador Coupe.
Matador Coupe for 1977 is more car value for the money. A car with many luxury features included as standard equipment. Combined with traditional Matador comfort, roominess, economy, and styling, all these standard features for 1977 represent a car value you just won't find anywhere but AMC.